All right,
Hello.
this is Anyel.
What's up?
And you're gonna stop getting out the camera. This is Anyel,
I'm not doing
and we're talking about how today how people, black people.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're black. She's mixed. I'm black. How the heck do people? People like, okay, say that there's a girl.
No.
And they have a group of girlfriends that's black. And they sit up here and talk just about the black boys, the other black group. How the heck do that sound?
Share it. That sounds so racist. I'm just saying.
How did that sound? That's how I'm feeling. That's so stupid.
No, I just think it's funny how people want to sit up here and tell you one thing to your face and then tell a whole bunch of other people something else. Like, just be honest.
Do you want to get slapped?
Oh my God.
I'm so tired of that.
I mean, like, just be honest with me. It's like the truth is the truth. Shut up. Put your hand down. But, I mean, really, it's just not necessary to do that.
I'm black. You black. Be black. Act black.